Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Lexus NX 300F Sport. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior, memory seats, driver's seat, lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel. Hopping inside, mileage is at 42,073. We have a push button ignition. And here is our Lexus display loading up. All right. So here is radio. Backup camera. Navigation app is not currently installed in this. It does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below our display we have climate controls here, including heated and ventilated seats. Got a CD player. You can adjust your different sport modes, which will affect your traction, steering, transmission, and whatnot. Here is the Lexus shifter, and then here is the touch command module for making adjustments on the display. And then of course cup holders, center console storage, and whatnot. I'll go ahead and hop out. I'll show you the rear seats next. And a quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, got our Lexus NX 300F Sport badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this 2020 Lexus NX 300F Sport, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.